15 ways to store and display books. If you have a large book collection, you can use these tips to store and display your books. Books are precious, so it is important to keep them away from damp walls and termite-infested cabinets. There should be a periodic dusting routine to keep your books fresh and dust-free. Use these tips to display your books in style. Use the windowsill as a shelf to display your books and convert it into a reading nook. The windows should be shaded to prevent fading and discoloration due to direct sunlight. The media console unit below the TV unit can be used to stack coffee table books. You can keep seldomly used books on the topmost layer of the overhead shelves. The space below a bench can be used for storing books, especially in the hallway, bedroom, or study room. Use an extra storage cabinet or an alcove as a mini library. You must stack heavier books on the bottom and lighter books on the top and achieve a visual balance. Incorporate a pull-out system for storing books. A bookshelf can be used for storing books and as a partition in an open-plan design home. Purchase decorative baskets for storing your books below the bed and keep them out of sight. Display coffee table books below the coffee table instead of keeping them on the top of it. The area below the stair soffit can be used as a beautiful library. Introduce accessories and houseplants to create an aesthetically pleasing bookshelf. The headboard of your bed can be used for storing and displaying books. You can also frame a bookshelf around the door. Introduce a book tower in unused corners of the house or go for a revolving bookshelf and use it for storage and display. Add floating shelves or corner shelving in glass or wood and use it for displaying your books. Add a bookend on each side of the books and club similar sized books together. Arrange your books in alphabetic order or categorize them into fiction, non-fiction, cookbooks, art books, and knowledge books. Segregate books by color to create a colorful display. Use a wheeled cart for storing all your books. Don't stack books tightly so that there is adequate space for air circulation between each book. You can also convert a hallway into a beautiful library. Thank you.